Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to use the Geek Seats. So let's get started. So first of all we'll just open here our browser. So at the browser we'll actually search for the Seatgeek tickets. Okay, and we'll press enter. So from here I can see Seatgeek. I want to print my ticket on of Seatgeek. Okay, so here to use the Seatgeek. Okay, with the Seatgeek you can just see here the viewing tickets. Okay, so we can just play this simple. So here we can see to head to the my ticket seat gate. Now ticket will display if you are available. Okay, so this is how we can just use the seat gigs tickets. Okay, so this is how we can just use it. So if you want to book a ticket on this, we can just go to the seat gig site. Okay, from there you can just select the live events, training events, and from there you can just book, and that's it. That's done. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like, subscribe, and share the video. Thank you for watching.